Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at LeetCode's daily challenge problem, and the name of the problem is group anagrams. So, according to the problem statement, we will be given an array or string, and our task is to group the anagrams together, and then we need to return the answer in any order. So, two strings are set to the anagram if uh, if using all the characters of the first string, we can create the second string, and vice versa. So, let's consider a small example. Let's say we are given an array of strings nat, fat, and tan. So, in order to find out the anagrams, in order to group the words such that the words all the grouped words together are anagrams of each other, we need to find out the corresponding key. So for example, what I need to say is for each string there is going to be a unique key. So what will be that unique key? So for each word, if we sort the characters of that word, then we will get some resulting sequence of characters. Now let's say there is another word, and that word is an anagram of the previous word. So this current word, if we sort the characters of this word, then it will also generate the same sequence of characters. So what I mean to say is, for in order to group the anagrams together, all the grouped words will correspond to the same key, and the key here is the sequence of characters. Okay, so if two words are anagram, then they are going to generate the same key, which is the same sequence of characters. So this was the gist of this problem. So let's try to solve this example. The first word here is nat. So nat, so the key corresponding to this word will be the sorted sequence of its characters. Sorted sequence of this character of its characters is A, N, and T. Okay, so the first word is forming a key AND. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a hash map or a dictionary, and all and for each key we are going to store all the words corresponding to that key. So here the key is AND, so we are going to store that in our dictionary as it is not present yet. Okay, so and we have found first our first word corresponding to this key, and that is nat. Okay, now let's see another word. The next word that we are having is bat, and the key corresponding to this word will be the sorted sequence of its characters, and the sorted sequence of its characters is A, B, and T. So we see that we are forming a new key, which is not same as the previous one. So it means that this word is going to form a separate group of anagrams. So we need to add this key in our hash map also. Okay. So the key is ABC, and the word is BAC. Now the next and the last word that we are having is tan. So tan. Now the key corresponding to this word will be again the sorted sequence of its characters, and which will be A N P. Now we see that this word is having key which is similar to the word NAT. It means that these two things are anagrams, and we need to group them together. So we simply need to add this word to this key list. So, and key is already present in our hash map, and we need to add this word tan in that list. So we are going to add this and will be added. So for this small example, our hash map is prepared. So we are having unique key, and all the words corresponding to that key are anagrams together. And according to the problem statement, we have to return this only. We need to return the answer where we have grouped all the anagrams together. So as a last step, all we have to do is we need to store all the values of these unique keys in an array, and then we need to return them. So now let's write the code for this problem. So let's take a dictionary, and first step is to iterate through the array of strings. So for each word in strs, we need to create a unique key. We need to find a unique key corresponding to that word. So as we already discussed, the key will be the sorted sequence of characters of that word. So we can sort the characters of that word. Now what this will give us is the list of sorted sequence of characters of the word. But the thing is, in Python, dictionary, the key should be immutable, and the list is a mutable data structure. So it will not work. So we need to convert this into a tuple. Now this key can be used in our dictionary. So we are going to check if this key is already present in our dictionary. It means that there are some words which was already corresponding to this key. So in that case, we need to simply add the current word in that list. Word. And if the key is not present, then we are going to add that key in our dictionary. We are going to create a new list, and in that list we will be adding the current word. So after iterating through all the words, our hash map or dictionary will get prepared. Now we simply need to add them in our answer array. So for the unique key, for each key, I must say, for each key in the dictionary, so all the words corresponding to each key are anagrams of each other, and we simply need to add the group of those words in our answer one by one. So let will be added in our answer, and then we can enter the, and I think this is it. Let's try to submit it. So it got accepted, and there can be other solutions to solve this problem, but this was one of the optimal solutions. Thank you.